what's up? So for this video, I am going to share with you my unboxing of this MVMT watch. I actually bought this a long time ago and I haven't been using it. It was just stored on where I put my jewelry that I haven't used it yet, that I have hauled. So finally, yes, I will get to share with you this beautiful watch and I will be able to wear it. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Welcome in, 𝒮𝓉𝒶𝓎, mabuhay, and you are all back with me for Sai. And yes, let's go ahead and unbox this MVMT watch. Yeah, so it's an old box. It's been sitting in my drawer for a long time. So yeah, this looks like this. It's a white one. It's one of the long time releases about a few years back. Yes, let's go ahead and check it out. So I have an MVMT watch video here on my YouTube channel. You can go ahead and check it out. I'll put the link at the very end of this video, so you will see that. So yeah, I opened it and I saw that there's a lot of things here on this side of the box. Some manuals, care instructions, and then here is the watch itself. So I am going to start with the accessories that it has right here. Okay, so we have this adjustment tool on an MVMT. We have some paperwork. It's like a nice pocket right there for the box. It's cool. And then we have these two items right here. Okay, so first, this one says, "Welcome to MVMT. In 2013, we made a promise to create high-quality minimalist products at a revolutionary price. Thanks to the support of our awesome fans, MVMT has become more than just a brand. We would not be here without you. Now we'd like to do our part by offering the best possible customer experience." Signed by 𝒮𝓈, co-founder, and 𝒮𝓈, co-founder, COO. So that's that. And then we have here just an ad for the sunglasses, because they also sell some sunglasses. And then they also have some watch straps like so. And then, of course, they are promoting their MVMT social media account, Instagram, and that they have a hashtag MVMT, or rather hashtag join the MVMT, or join the movement. So it's right there. And like if you post a photo on Instagram, you might win $500. I'm not sure if it's still ongoing. Yeah, and then there's like share and get 15% off. I'm not sure if this is still running, but that's what's here. And then yeah, here is the instruction pamphlet on this black pouch thingy. And then it's like this. And then okay, so it's not like book style wherein like you flip the pages. It's like so, this folded thing, like a concordion thingy. Concordion. Yeah, so just say their social media, website, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And then the types of watches that they have. So they have analog with date function, chronographed men, multifunction for men, multifunction for women, interchangeable straps, and how to change it, how to adjust the size of the mesh band also is there, which I probably would need because I have a mesh band. And then, of course, depending on how many meters, the watch would be warranty information, mission, vision. Thank you and welcome. And who is MVMT is here on this booklet also, or like pamphlet. So it also has how to install NATO strap and how to adjust the size of the chain links. So those are the information that you will find on the MVMT instruction pamphlet. So now let's go ahead and proceed to the watch itself, which is I'm so excited because like I told you, I forgot about this already. So it's like this. It's rose gold in color, and then it has a marbly face like so. So let me remove the plastic so you'll be able to see it closer. Okay. And then I am going to insert close-ups of this one instead so you will be able to see it clearly. So I lay it down right here and we will be able to see it much more clearly. There you go. Here's the face once again. But yeah, let me remove the plastic so we'll be able to really appreciate the details of this watch much more clearer. Okay, and then have to remove the plastic also from the watch band. Beautiful rose gold mesh watch band. I don't think I have a rose gold watch yet. Or if I do, I think I have at least one. And then here's another one. I'm not certain. All right, so here you go. So it doesn't have a dial. It just has the watch hand and the minute hand. And then the MVMT logo right there. And then right here it says Boulevard. That's what it says right here, right there. And on the side, of course, I'm gonna remove this one. And then press like so. Since it doesn't have a second hand, you'll not be able to see it moving yet until the minute stop. Okay, so here is the back. It says all 316L stainless steel. And then on this side, it says 3 ATM water resistant K17 MVMT in the middle. And then it says Malibu Marble. There you go. It's probably the style name of this watch. So I really like this mesh band over here. So pretty. So there is still an MVMT logo right here. And I have some mesh bands. Yeah, I have a Pandora watch. That's rose gold. So yeah, I really do have two. This is the second one. And here is the tag MVMT, MVMTwatches.com. So that's the code for the watch. And then let's remove this one. I think I'm going to be needing a scissor. So there. That's the MVMT watch that I have. Very stunning. So I can go ahead and show you a couple of men MVMT watches. They're not mine, but at least you will have an idea of how it looks for the MVMT watches for men. So here are some MVMT watches for men. And you can see them right here. So this one looks similar to my watch. So they're both in rose But they have, of course, different watch face and a different size. I believe that this watch face is the one for men is size 42 millimeters and then 38 millimeters for the women. I'm not sure, but I can put it on the description bar instead. So that is how it looks. The rose for this one is almost similar. This is just much more leaning into the much more red undertone. And then this one is like this more rose golden, like a little bit more golden. So there, that's how it looks like. There are some more MVMT watches right here, but I probably would do a separate video showing you men's MVMT watches instead. There's different sizes of the face also for this one. As you see, this is a little bit smaller than the other ones, and some are very, very big. There's some leather straps, stainless steels, and yeah, different colors, different watch faces, and different types of watches. So there, and yeah, at least you know how it looks like. And if you are into minimalist watches, then you might want to consider this brand. So a few minutes have already passed since I removed that part that's stopping this one, and now it run. As you see, it moved. So the batteries are still good. Yeah, I would like to go ahead and try it on. So let's see. I think I have to adjust this first, but let's try that one. Okay, there. Yeah, so once again, that's called the time stopper here, the crown part. So stunning. And it looks like so. Since I need to adjust this part of the watch so it fits me well, then I am going to use the tool that they have right here because it's very easy to adjust a mesh band anyway. So grabbing the tool, and then all you have to do is to lift this part. As you see, there's like a hole in there that you could just lift like so. And then now, once that's lifted, you can go ahead and freely move depending on how tight or how loose you want it to be. So I'm going to try up to right here. And then to put it back, all you have to do is to press it back. But since it's new, it could be a little bit still stiff. But yeah, there, you hear the snap and then it's back. And then now I'm going to try it again. So yeah, I think this is like a better fit now. Could adjust it a little bit more. And then you close this part and then there. And this is how it looks. What do you think? It's very pretty minimalist and it's elegant also. So you could wear it dress up or dress down. I think it's a big face for a woman's watch. Well, in the old times, they wanted a smaller watch face for a woman, but now, like modern women also want a bigger watch face. I like a bigger watch face also. If I'm wearing my Apple Watch or another Android watch or smartwatch, but yeah, for this type of watch, I'm okay with having a smaller, a big one. Yeah, but I have a very small wrist, so if it's a big watch face, it really shows like like this, right? You can really see that that's a big watch right there. But yeah, I like it. I really think that it's a nice design, and yeah, I think I'm going to put this on my watch rotation, so I will be able to change my watches every now and then. So there you have it, everybody. Thank you so much for watching this video, joining me on my unboxing of the MVMT watch, sharing you the MVMT watches for men also, and then yeah, telling you how to adjust the mesh band. Yeah, so there, and I hope that this video is helpful. And I have a lot of watch videos also. I have just recently uploaded my Daniel Wellington unboxing. I was not talking that time, but I could probably do another video about Daniel Wellington if you wanted to. If I can also do comparison videos of different brands, and if you have a request, let me know, and I will go ahead and see what I can do to share with you a video of a watch that you would like to see. I also do videos about jewelries and Pandora every Tuesdays, just like today, and then beauty and fashion every Friday, and anything and everything under the sun for my Sunday special videos, from travel, gadgets, perfumes, hauls, vlogs, and more. So go ahead and check out my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you like this video. And of course, click the notification bell and choose all notifications so you'll be notified on all of my future videos and you will never miss a thing, especially when I dropped about or drop the information about my future giveaways, because we always have a giveaway every month with my Filipina beauty sisters. So yeah, thank you everybody for watching this video. See you in the comment section down below, and remember to stay fierce and fly high. See ya.